Hi guys, welcome to another video of repairs on my Insignia. This time it's replacing the rear wheel bearing, this thing here. Now they do tend to rust in, as you can see from the back there. Hang on. Right, there's the back of the bearing. You've got that bolt there. There's another one there and one up in the corner there, and that's what actually holds it in, but it sits in a recess, that bearing does, and they rust in. They're a nightmare to get out. You can get proper hydraulic pullers, something I didn't have, so the easiest thing for me to do was remove the entire hub off the car, which is 2 bolts here on the swing arm. There's another link arm at the bottom here that needs taking off. There's another one at the top here. You've got your anti-roll bar here, shock absorber mount at the bottom, and at the top there, I've got to put back on yet. Obviously brake caliper needs to come off as well, and the lower arm and spring. The lower arm is going to go there. Much easier to take it off, and the easiest way is basically set to with the chisel and support where you can. I supported it on these brackets here, and another one over the side, this side, and smashed it out of the casing. It's the only way. They're really tight. I've put some copper grease on, put the new one back in, so hopefully if it ever needs doing again, it'll come out a lot easier. And what I did notice while I was doing it, this plug here, that's your ABS sensor, which goes in this hole. This hole here around the back. Again, that rusted in and stuck, ended up breaking, getting it back out. They're not too expensive and they're fairly easy to put in. It goes round the arm there and then goes up behind this panel and plugs in up there. One problem I did have is a Torx screw, normally that 6mm Torx that goes in there, that actually sheared off when I was trying to get it undone, so I've had to drill it out, tap it, and I've just got a new bolt there to put it back in again. It's just a retaining bolt, that's all. And something I noticed while I took the shock absorber off, this dust cover up there, this dust cover is supposed to be up there, and it's just a rubber grommet effectively, which holds it up there, which is worn out, so it just sits down there, leaving the shock absorber exposed, which is obviously no good. You can get these dust covers separately. If the shock absorber itself is fine, don't worry about it. All you need to do is replace the cover. You can get 2 for about £20 off eBay or your local motor factors. Really easy to fit. There's this bracket, mounts up there. You've got the other bolt down at the bottom, and then up here it's like a squared off end. You have to grip that end and use a 15mm ring spanner in there. Lots of penetrating oil, because again they rust like everything else does. Keep working it backwards and forwards and you will get it undone. Slide this bracket off the top, put your new dust cover back on, put it back together and bolt it back in. Quite an easy job really, which that'll get done before this all goes back together. Okay, I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.